This will be a bit of a different video. A friend of mine that makes custom quilted crafts that she sells locally as well as on Etsy asked if I could dye some raw fabric. So these are the samples I'm going to start with to see what she can do with it after it's been dyed. These are the smallest pieces I've ever tried to actually tie-dye on. So we'll see how this comes out. There's a couple of these that'll be done in a set, and then 2 other sets that are quite a bit larger that are about the size of a bandana. So we'll go ahead and tie these up. She's looking for a scrunch type, mainly with reds, purples, blacks, that type of thing. So I'll go ahead and tie this up and then go to the dyeing stage. Alrighty, these are all tied up and it's time to go dye. Since she asked for reds, purples, and black, I'm also adding a couple of dark blues just to pull the reds and purples together. So these are the colors I may or may not use on each design. Strong navy, cobalt blue, deep purple and grape, amethyst and power berry, oxblood red and maroon, burgundy and fire red, Chinese red, and better black. There's not going to be any true pattern to this since it's a scrunch and she's looking for an organic looking design. So let's just get started and take care of each one. forgot to turn the camera back on, but I added crushed ice to the two small ones since it's pretty hard to do it any other way. So I'll let all this sit until it melts fully, and then we'll flip it over and dye the second side. Everything's melted through, so we'll go ahead and flip them over. Alright, we'll let that sit for 12 to 18 hours and do a washout. It's been over 24 hours, so let's do the washout. Alright, let's stuff it for these sets first. I think this is quite a bit darker than I was shooting for. That's one set. Here's another set. Set those aside and swash out the rest. Alright, let's take a look at these. I like that. We'll see how dark that stays after the final wash. And then the last set. He's almost... Alright, I'll wash these all out completely, and then we'll take a look.